everybody, so this is the Gibson block. So I'm just gonna read whatever I saw here. Realtor William Gibson built the Gibson block in 1913 towards the end of Edmonton's first development boom. Diba? So whatever is architect Arthur W. Cowley employed a flat iron design, which was a popular method of developing odd-shaped properties previously considered to be unusable. In Alberta, historical flat iron buildings still stand in Lacombe and Medicine Hat. Other good examples include New York's Allied Chemical Buildings and Toronto's Gotherham Building. The Gibson block originally housed retail space on the main floor, Turkish bath in the basement, and offices on the upper floors. The office spaces were later converted to apartments. Commercial tenants on the main floor at one time included the Gibson Cafe, whose now notorious sign on the brick exterior referred to white help only. After many years of neglect, the Gibson block was completely restored in 1994 by the Edmonton City Center Church Corporation to house the Women's Emergency Accommodation Center. O diba, itong palibot niya, binabasa ko lamang. Pero alam niyo guys, ang ganda pala ng ng aura ng nito, ng building na ito. It's beautiful. Para siyang para yung barko. Tapos nasa gitna siya ng kalsada. O diba? Buti nga parang dati nasa gitna ito ng kalsada kasi doon sa kabila. Tapos ito dito dati may mga bar ata ito. Ito ata yung may bar na pinatanggal 3 years or 5 years ago. Pero guys, ngayon meron na, lagi ko pala itong dinadaanan. Dito pala ako lagi naglalakad. Pero ngayon ko lang talaga alam na ito ay isa sa mga historical building na i-built noong 1913. So marami pa pala guys. Marami pa, yun pa nandito lang pala sa palibot ko. Oh my gosh. Ang tagal ko na rito. Ngayon lang ako nagka-interest, no? Pero anyway, I just want to share to you what I've seen here. At saka, mega love shout out to all members. Kung andyan pa ba kayo or wala na. I'm sorry guys. Hindi ako nakapag-check pero lagi akong nanonood ng mga videos. Lalo na yung mga nag-comment. Love you all everyone. At sana'y meron pa akong time para mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Edmonton at titignan yung mga historical landmark ng Edmonton. At sisikapin kong lahat ito ay i-share ko sa inyo ng paisa-isa o padala-dalawa. Pero alam ko na may purpose yung time na wala akong trabaho, nasa pahinga ako. Pero guys, I love it talaga. Parang gusto kong wala na lang akong trabaho. Mag-ikot-ikot na lang ako rito. Titignan ko yung mga historical landmark. Ha 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 ha. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda niya. Anyway, ako ay lalabas na. Bye-bye!